This wash and go is popping, okay? So stay tuned as I show you how I got these popping results. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Traylene Danita here. If you are in love with natural hair, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, then this is the place. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there, and while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notifications button so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Alright guys, it is officially wash and go season, so let's get right into it. I'm doing a wash and go on my hair using the Uncle Funky's Daughters product line, and I'm going to show you the whole process and the results. Okay guys, I'm starting out with freshly washed and conditioned hair. My hair did dry a little bit, so I'm going to saturate it using this mist bottle. Okay, so the key to a perfect wash and go is heavily saturated hair. So this mist bottle is perfect for getting all of my tresses soaking wet without the mess. It's the perfect size, and it's actually the bottle from the TD Curl Cousin Curl Kit, and I'll be sure to leave all the details about the curl kit in the description below. So I'm working in sections. I already have 4 sections, but I'm taking those sections and separating them in 2. So right now I'm making sure my hair is saturated enough, and then I'll be applying the first product. The first product is the Thirsty Curls from Uncle Funky's Daughter. It is the leave-in curl revitalizer. It's designed for kinky, curly, and wavy textures. So I'm applying a generous amount of the leave-in to my hair. Okay, so listen, I am very heavy-handed, so I'm applying a lot to my hair because my hair is very kinky and it's dense. So I'm working in the Thirsty Curls, making sure all of my hair is covered, and then I'm going to follow it up with the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. So this product is more of like a gel custard combination in one. It's not as heavy as a gel and not as sticky as a custard, but it's just a mix of the two. I was a little concerned that it was not heavy enough for my hair because, like I said, my hair is kinky and it's dense. So I'm just working that product all the way through, making sure each of my strands are covered with both of the products, and just going through each of those strands and raking the product all the way down. And then moving on to the next sections of my hair, repeating that same process. So I've completed this section, and this is what my hair is looking like. I did see a bit of a product buildup on my hair, but whatever. Nonetheless, I'm moving on to the other sections of my hair and just repeating that same process, making sure my hair is fully saturated, and of course putting the Thirsty Curls Leave-In Curl Revitalizer, and then following it up with that Curly Magic Curly Stimulator, and making sure that my hair is fully covered with that product. And I'm also using the detangler brush that I love, which is also part of the TD Curl Cousin Curl Kit, which, like I said, I'll put all of the details about the curly kit in the description below. Alright guys, I am down to the last sections of my hair, okay? And I took my time, alright? I made sure all of my strands were covered with this stuff because I did not want a mishap, okay? At the end, I was like, what is actually about to happen? All right, now that my hair has all the product on it, this is what it is looking like. This is the texture of my curls. And right now I am actually going to sit under a hooded dryer because that helps with the drying process, and it also prevents some of that shrinkage. So I sat under the hooded dryer, but of course the hooded dryer does not dry my hair completely. It's about 90% dry. So I'm gonna go in with my hair dryer with my diffuser so I can get to the parts that the hooded dryer couldn't get to. So I'm taking my diffuser or my hair dryer and applying it to my scalp, making sure my scalp is dry, and just using my curls, not trying to disturb them, but pulling them taut to freeze my curls in place like this without disturbing them, and just drying my scalp. That actually helps with the shrinkage and help with freezing my curls in place. Okay guys, these are the results. Listen. Good. Look at that texture. Look at the definition. It's wash and go season. Okay, kick it off with the good. This is so good, y'all. I'm loving it. I was really scared. I did not know how my hair was going to turn out. I was hesitant because the Curly Magic, it has a custard feel, but it didn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel sticky. So yeah, I'm into this wash and go. And of course, this is first day hair, and it's gonna get bigger and bigger, which I love. I love big hair, okay? So yeah, this is the winner, y'all. Like, this is the good way to kick off wash and go season. Have you guys tried Uncle Funky Daughter's hairline? Definitely comment down below letting me know if you've ever tried it. And guess what, guys? If you haven't tried it and you want to try it, I have a coupon code for your next order. Coupon code TrainingVanita. I'll leave all of that down in the description below. Be sure to order you some, because listen, it got my curls popping. Okay? Alright guys, that is it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, ciao.